decide to step up to this kind of play.
Yes, that is Paul Rudd starring in a commercial for Nintendo's Switch 2 console. And if it seems familiar...
Why are you dressed like you're in a boy band?
Seriously? My Super NES commercial from the 90s with my long black duster, indie rocked hair, and beaded necklace?
That's because Rudd was indeed in a commercial in 1991 for Nintendo's Super NES console.
When you decide to get serious, there's only one place to come.
Almost 7 decades in the making, Manette Marchman is finally learning more about her birth family. Little did she know she would discover 4 sisters across the country that had been searching for her too.
We didn't even know she existed until about a year and a half ago when our mom, going through her full dementia, comes out of the room and says that you need to find your sister. If we would have known that we had a sister, we would have been looking for her our whole life.
My oldest daughter did an ancestry and she plugged my name in there and she got a hit on her email. And the girl on there was one of my sister's daughters. And she texts back that I think my mom has been looking for her sister and I would like to meet you.
And on January 16th, Teresa, Jana, Tam, and Lena would hear Manette's voice for the very first time.
We spent like 2 hours talking about anything that we could to help her know who we were. We were sharing pictures of all of us and our mother. It felt like we had known each other all these years.
Not wasting a moment making up for lost time, the sisters traveled thousands of miles to Mississippi to meet Manette, granting the wish none of the women ever thought would come true.
Oh God, I feel like I'm dreaming.
Getting to know her, it feels like we've known her all our life. And to me, that is just so amazing. You know, that there's a bond that could not be broken, even though we've had so many years apart. And I love that. And I love you.
The sisters have now met their new nieces and nephews, taken multiple road trips, and formed memories that will last a lifetime.
67 years, that's a long time, you know, to think that you don't have anybody else. And then pop, one day they're there. I love them so much. They're my whole family now. I think I'm gonna have a wonderful life.
Un temblor de 6 MLB, magnitud local calculada, se registró la mañana de este viernes en las costas de Esmeraldas. El hecho ocurrió a las 6:44 minutos de este viernes, a 8.4 kilómetros de la cabecera provincial y a una profundidad de 30 kilómetros. El cantón más afectado por el sismo es justamente Esmeraldas, en donde estamos en este momento. Se presume que acá habría una persona que resultó herida, como podemos ver en pantalla en este momento. También una de las paredes de esta vivienda de 2 pisos de construcción mixta se vino abajo, justamente la pared frontal, que la vemos que está totalmente, hecha a pedazos en el piso. Lo que es las ventanas también se cayeron y podemos observar también cómo hay otra parte de la pared que está en riesgo de colapsar en cualquier momento. Junto a esto también vemos cables de energía eléctrica que se encuentran en el piso. Esta área de aquí en este momento se encuentra cercada, está con cinta amarilla, y esto también, que es una vía principal, es la avenida Libertad, se encuentra también siendo resguardada en este momento por agentes de tránsito, quienes están desviando a los vehículos para evitar que no pasen por este sector justamente de la ciudad de Esmeraldas debido al fuerte sismo que se presentó esta mañana. Esto es lo que les puedo contar hasta el momento de los daños que existen en el cantón de Esmeraldas y en la provincia de Esmeraldas por este temblor, por este sismo de magnitud 6.